Hi, today I'm going to show you how to fix a network problem on Samsung dual SIM phone. So let's start. Okay, so this is the Samsung dual SIM phone, and as you can see, there is no network. Okay, so what can we do about it? Let's see. We open our PCB, and as you can see here, there are a lot of component, but you need to find this one, this right here. It is your crystal, and you need to either replace it, or you could just put some heat on it and move around a bit and let it cool down. It's once its solders get good again, it would work. Otherwise, you could just replace it and it should fix your network problem in GFix. Okay, thank you very much.